Today in Cooking for Lazy, you will learn how to make a lazy, creamy chicken lasagna. For this recipe, you will need the following: ground chicken, cream cheese, oven-ready lasagna pasta, spread cheese, pasta sauce, seasoned salt and garlic powder. We will start by seasoning the chicken with the seasoned salt and the garlic powder. Afterwards, transfer the chicken into a low-heat pot. Mix to distribute the seasoning properly once it's in the pot. We will cook the chicken for approximately 15 minutes, in which the chicken will acquire a white color. During this time, we will also be mixing the chicken every few minutes to avoid clumping. After we're done, we will move the chicken into the preparation station. Make sure you have proper heating resistant equipment as required. Before building our layers of lasagna, make sure you're preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a strainer, transfer some of the liquid off the chicken into the bowl. Remove your oven-ready pasta from the box and cut as required to fit your bowl. When cutting the pasta, make sure you use your fingers to properly cut it. Using a scissor might break the pasta in an undesirable way. Properly align the pasta as required and if needed, or if you're a little bit picky, cut the pasta in half to make sure you have the proper set. We will start by adding a little bit of cream cheese into the top layer of the pasta. This will help hold the chicken in place while also giving it a very creamy taste. After the cream cheese is spread, start adding the chicken on top of this. Create a thin layer of chicken. Afterwards, we'll add the pasta sauce. Again, a very thin layer done over to it. Next, add the cheese. In this case, we're using shredded cheese for the center and mozzarella cheese for the corners. If you're wondering why, I have no clue. It just looks good. We'll repeat this same steps again for our second layer. Pasta, cream cheese, chicken, sauce, and cheese. For the third layer, this will be our surface layer and the presentation layer, which will only require sauce and cheese. Afterwards, put your lasagna in the oven for approximately 30 minutes and let it sit for 5 minutes after you finish cooking. Cut the lasagna with a sharpened knife. If needed, use a little fork for support, but don't poke the lasagna. We're almost done. All you need to do is remove the lasagna with a flat spatula, add to a plate, add some oregano on top, and enjoy. Dig in.